looks like a powder. Ground mass. Got to tip off the limit. That's one small step for man. One giant leap for mankind. Oh, that looks beautiful, Samuel. It has a stark beauty all its own.
This is what I'm used to. You do everything by yourself right here with this machine. Cut the limbs down, grass, whatever you have, pile it up, mulch it up, you're done. You do everything with this machine. Adam Merritt. I work for Columbia County Road Department. My job title's Equipment Operator 3. I've been doing this brush cutting for about 6-7 years now. I was 21 and I had a bush hog accident. Fell under the bush hog, chopped me up, chopped both hands off, or both wrists off, leg, foot. That was pretty much it. Woke up in a hospital 4 or 5 days later. Yeah, I never went to physical therapy. I stayed in a bed or in a wheelchair for pretty much a year, and then one day just decided to get up and start walking. And I did it on my own, and I've been going ever since. I got shut down for disability or Social Security, anything like that, so I had to do something, have to make money. And I still operate equipment. Well, once we got the MowerMax, I got the first one. It only had the joystick on the right-hand side, so I was operating it like this, and it was quite a pain in the butt. But David, we told him about it, and he said, you know what, we'll figure something out, and once we do, we'll come up, get it, take it to Tampa, and we will fix it. They designed it for me, and now they have left-handed joysticks. It's pretty awesome. I mean, they never had one. They never had a MowerMax with a left-handed joystick. So it was pretty amazing for me. I mean, I'm used to operating equipment, but I've never operated one of these. Always had a lower grade tractor, and it had a right-handed joystick. They never had a company put a left-handed one for us. So MowerMax went and did it, above and beyond. They've been awesome. They have helped us from day one. They've been honest with us. Anytime we've had a problem with the tractor, they come, they help us with it. And even when it was out of warranty, they still offer help through the phone, service calls, whatever you need. Salesman's awesome, mechanics are awesome, all of them. MowerMax is awesome. It's easy to operate. The visibility, the versatility, I love it. It's absolutely amazing. Normal day, get to the tractor and check all the fluids out, make sure everything's good. Once I get it greased up, fluid's good, get on the road and start cutting.
We're getting a picture. You're not in at the present time. We can see the bag on the LEC being moved by